Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. We're going to make this without this.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, today we are making some delicious ramen, but without this flavor packet. Yes, it's full of flavor, but it's also full of salt. So I'm going to show you how we make this without it. I'm going to be making my chicken and shrimp ramen. You're going to need, of course, some chicken, of course, some shrimp, as much as you want. I'm using that chicken I got from the food pantry in the pack. Yes, I am. I'm also using some chicken bouillon, sodium free. I've got 4 packs of noodles. I've got some garlic in powder, garlic powder, listen to me. I'm crazy. Also, we're going to need a little bit of sesame oil. Not necessarily, but it does help. Just a little bit, like a drop or two, okay? And, of course, some green onion and some fresh garlic. I've got 3 garlic cloves chopped up, 3 large. If you have small ones, use about 4 or 5, maybe even 6 if you like a lot of garlic. Okay? Now, as far as the green onions, I have an entire pack of them chopped up. In other words, about 8 of them, okay? Or 2.5 cups. Now, we are going to put some oil in our wok, get it nice and hot, or a deep pot of your choice, and get our oil going and start cooking. Come on. Okay, nieces and nephews, I've got my wok hot. Now, we're going to take our sesame oil. You're only going to put in about a drop because this stuff is strong, let me tell you. Then we're going to put in our regular oil. Just about a tablespoon, okay? Not too much. We're going to mix our oil together and get our wok nice and oiled. Get our oil nice and hot. We're going to put in all of our garlic and some of our green onion just to get the flavors going, okay? Oh, you're also going to need about 4 to 5 cups of water. I'm sorry I didn't mention that at the beginning. First, let's get these going. Oh, this smells so good. You want to saute these until the garlic infuses with the oil and becomes translucent, okay? You don't want to brown it. Do not brown your garlic. Just want to get these onions and garlic translucent, and then we're going to add our water and our chicken bouillon. Our vegetables are basically done. See how they're translucent like that and soft? Now, we turn up our fire. Let it heat up, let it get hot. Okay? There's a reason. All right. See how it's starting to really sizzle? Now, take your water. You see how I've got about like 4 or 5 cups in here. Pour this in. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. All right. Bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna add 4 of our seasoning packs. 1 each for each packet of ramen. And I'm using 4, okay? All right. We have our water at a boil. Look at that, okay? Time to add some more of our our green onion. Just about a little more than half, okay? Just a little more. Put in our flavor packs. All 4. Mix that in. Oh, yes. I do wish they had smell-o-vision because, smelling really good right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to tell you something. This tastes just like the chicken ramen, except without all the salt. Now, we're going to put in a teaspoon more of our garlic. Okay. We're going to let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes at the most. Then we are going to add our ramen and our shrimp and also our chicken. Oh, excuse me. I almost made a mistake.
Duh.
At this point, right now, we are going to add our chicken because remember, we're making the base of the flavors right now, okay? Come on, chicken. There we go. Now you can also add chicken thighs, chicken breast, whatever you have. I'm just using stuff from the pantry that I got, okay? From the food pantry. There we go. Oh, this is so good. Oh, yes. Now, like I said, I'm gonna let this cook from 5 to 10 minutes just to get all the flavors together. Then I'm putting in the ramen and the shrimp. All right. All right, now it is time to add our ramen and our shrimp. You can always put some more liquid in this if you want yours more liquidy, okay? I break mine up just to get them in there. Oh, yes. Now, if you add some more liquid, add some more chicken flavor, okay? So it won't be watery tasting. Come out a little bit. I swear that flavor packet just wants to sneak in there. Not happening today. Or any other day. Now we're going to add our shrimp. Add as many as you want. I'm just putting the amount I want. Oh, yes. As you can see, I like a lot of shrimp in mine. Now, we're going to cook this till the noodles are done. And you're going to have some good eating. Oh, also, once this is done, I'm going to let it set to the side and steep a bit. And we're going to fry up some eggs to go over top. Then we're going to put the rest of our green onions. All right. So we're going to let this cook about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'll be right back. Look, nieces and nephews, our ramen is done. Look at that. Now, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to put my smaller skillet over here. Turn my fire down some. I'm going to put, like I said, a little bit of sesame oil in this pot. Because sesame oil is strong. Okay. Put some regular oil in this pot. Mix it around. Now, we take a small clove of garlic, or large, depending upon your taste, and put it right in this oil, okay? That's just to add some extra flavor with your egg for your ramen. This is a neat little trick, okay? I'm gonna push this garlic to the side because it's already flavored the oil, okay? Maybe a little more, okay? Once you got that, take your egg, put them all in. This one I'm being a little more careful with because I don't want to get any shell in my eggs. No crunchy ramen today. Take a little more garlic, just dust it over the top of your eggs. Garlic and eggs go together. Now I, of course, being Mr. Uncle Chris, am gonna put some black pepper over top of these eggs. And a little bit of red pepper. You do not have to do this. I'm just doing it for some spice. Okay. All right. I'm gonna gently flip these over. Someone just told me they didn't want too runny of an egg. So there we go. All right. I'm gonna let these cook, and then we're gonna put them in the ramen.
Sounds good.
Yes, little Jay. All right. Our eggs are done. Slide this over. Turn it off. Slide our eggs right on in. I tried to get them as centered as I could. Take some of your green onion and embellish that over the top. Boom. You have got salt-free ramen. Chopsticks optional. Nieces and nephews, look at this. You had the first bite. Nieces and nephews, this is so good. I tell you what. Yeah. Just like the ramen in the packet, pulled out all the salt. Of course I know how to use chopsticks. Stop it. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. I have another resale shop haul and a sauce video to go with that. So, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Write to me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. Okay? Or at gmail.com. Excuse me. Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef at gmail.com. Good Lord, I'm getting senior moments again. All right. I'm going to enjoy this, and I want you guys to write in and let me know if you make it. Let me see how it comes out. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?